this, JT.
Isn't that pretty? Isn't that so pretty? Oh no, these clothes don't go on the baby. These clothes go on Corey. Okay, let's
JT, what you got, darling?
see. JT, go over there and open your presents.
JT, come here, sweetheart. Come here.
You gonna open this one?
JT.
Chris, you got done early.
JT.
I want a baby.
Chris was got in there and got it, didn't he?
Let me help. Hey, kiss my butt. JT, get over and open the presents, not the...
Oh.
Wow, Jesus.
Look.
Ain't that it?
You got some dishes. Look, you got pots and pans. And you got some plates. No, we're not going to open this right now. We'll open this when we get home. You've got another one.
Now, Christopher, what you got?
What is it?
It's a, it's another, you can take that one back and exchange it.
Mommy.
Oh, you've got
Tommy
another
and
one?
Shelley got you.
The one I got carries the CDs. It said carries a CD player.
Oh, really? A portable one.
What you got, Graham?
JT, I'm trying to get JT over.
Yeah, we need to get JT opening some pictures. I mean, open some pictures. Wow.
That's beautiful.
No, Graham didn't want us to open this one, okay? Is it so pretty? We're going to leave this one in the box.
Here, JT.
Okay.
Look at it, pretty big.
Look, this has a
Oh, isn't that so pretty?
Hey, cool, you gonna wear
Look
it?
at these pants. This is fun.
Yeah.
What'd you get? What is it, Joe?
Pretty close.
Corey, you wanna comb your baby's
Pretty close. Isn't it so pretty?
Hey, girl.
She has good home. You wanna
Yeah, pull it close.
Oh, JT, look.
JT, look. See, I personally stray away from being all noise toys for challenge.
Oh, it's so noisy anyway, it wouldn't matter.
Wow, look at that.
Now you're gonna have an artist and a musician.
This is there.
Wow.
Yeah.
You squeeze your hand out that way. You gotta come back the other way. You gotta squeeze your hand. Get the damn toy out! Like this. All right, let's put this hand right here. Look, this hand right here.
Now squeeze.
Now squeeze it.
Here you go, Dad.
Squeeze both hands. Squeeze.
Don't pull on her like that.
Wow, JT's a musician. Michael Jackson.
Man, you racked up. Look at that damn raid race and all that.
And he's got one that, he doubled up on.
What?
He got two senior towels.
Oh, well,
Yay, JT, go, man, go.
what is that, Corey?
Cold.
Let me see how does that girl sing? Show me how she sings.
Hey, JT. Looking here.
Hold both of her hands.
Watch out.
What you got, Joe? Let me
Sure.
see.
JT. This is it.
What you got, JT?
No,
No.
JT.
Traveling musician. He's on the road.
Oh, Corey. What a pretty doll.
That's a farm.
What your mama got, Chris?
Ooh, how pretty. Thank you. Oh, that is beautiful. So sweet. Oh.
Oops, hello.
Wow.
Oh, Corey, it's so much fun.
Look here, JT.
Wow.
Look at this. Look, JT, look over here. JT, look.
Where is the thingamadeel?
One thing I'm gonna do.
What's that? There's a sheep.
Wow.
Wow. What you got?
Somebody dropped the...
No.
Ooh, how
Is this-
pretty.
Or
Shelly and I can
What?
match.
I wonder if it's yours.
No.
You sure?
Yeah. So I've got one.
I wore it last time.
That is so
Cool.
pretty.
Like that.
Yeah, you didn't know you had one. We bought it up in Maine.
Boy, look at this doggy. Look at the doggy.
It's
That's
Sit
funny.
up.
Oh.
You want the box? Okay, you take the box.
JT gets the box. He's got to get him on a hard surface to roll him.
Cool.
He's supposed to have rollers.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, we don't
No,
have
it
rollers.
doesn't have rollers.
Isn't he cute?
Mama, look.
I see, honey.
We have to get together and cook, Lindy.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all
I
this
love
shit.
cookbooks. That's like one of my favorite things.
What is it? I think I've seen that in the bookstores in Dallas.
Oh,
You
no.
can look like you tell me that is? Have no clue.
Where's your bubble?
Where's that?
David, you have me.
Oh, yeah, okay, so
What'd you do with your bubble?
Who's at the bank?
That bedroom.
What'd you?
Scary.
It's a pretty wild. I just thought it's really bizarre, but it's just different enough to be sitting on the coffee table. Not on my coffee table, but
Well, the bubble's at home, honey. We'll get him.
His helper, yeah.
Chris, help you, darling.
Sorry.
Corey Coleman.
What is
Put that down.
We will be cooking together for sure.
Who's this at?
We got a special on him.
Huh?
Who's this
We
at?
got a special on him.
No, take it back to Graham and help Graham open it. That's Graham. Yeah, take it back to Graham and let Graham open it. Baby, it's Graham.
Well,
I know, but you gotta help Graham open it.
Uh-oh. Are you stuck? No, Mommy wants to keep
okay,
this.
you help me.
That is so pretty.
And that bubble.
She would keep these boxes.
I don't know, honey.
Right, yeah.
What is it, Graham? Who is it from, Graham?
Get that. Let's take this out and look. Oh, boy, Graham can make a whole bunch of soup, can't she?
Graham, who's it from?
That's from Tommy.
Thank you, Tommy.
Oh, you got it, man. We could. I didn't look through all
See
of it.
that pot? Here, you want to... Boy, Graham's got a shirt.
She looked just like Tommy and Joe.
Yeah. Look. How pretty.
And some of the people you're going, man, this is way out of character what I thought they were like.
Yeah.
Got me a shirt.
There's one, have you already passed the picture of all
I think
the,
that's Daddy.
all the like Pinky's mom?
There's one with two women in it.
Yeah, that's
No, there's
Daddy's
got like
shirt,
6 or
darling.
8 of them. It's all the like the Brady kids. Mom.
Look, Daddy.
Eat it.
You gonna give him another kiss?
Give Papa a kiss for giving you a present.
Wow! You're welcome, darling.
Darling.
Squeeze your hands.
Let
Ooh.
me see your shoes.
Show Papa your shoes. Turn around. Turn
Walk across.
There you go. Look at.
Whoa, look at those. Hubba, hubba.
Belt. A pretty belt for love. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty.
Joe, your stocking.
I will. I'm trying to get this working.
You just... Oh, that. Tommy.
You want to put it in your purse? Will it fit in there? Let's see if it'll fit. Ooh, thank y'all. That's Mama's. That's Mama's. Daddy has to give me his too. I'm kidding. You want to put it in here? Put it in this.